Welcome to AI Joyful Discoveries. Today we'll be demonstrating how to plan a trip using Microsoft Copilot. Imagine this. You're an avid traveler, eagerly anticipating summer and the vacation that awaits. Suddenly, you're daunted by the complex details of organizing your ideal journey. However, there's no need to worry. Introducing Copilot, your reliable AI travel guide ready to assist. It can craft detailed day-by-day itineraries. Need to rearrange plans? Copilot recalibrates seamlessly. So take a deep breath, traveler. Copilot is here to turn your overwhelm into wanderlust-fueled excitement. Copilot is free to use on the web, in Windows, in the Edge browser, and in the mobile Copilot apps. You can access GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo during non-peak times. If you're interested in learning how to access Copilot from your mobile device or web browser, feel free to check out my previous video titled Skyrocket Your Efficiency with ChatGPT-4 Copilot, absolutely free. First, let's engage in a role-play exercise with Copilot. I'll start by saying, "Hey Copilot, can you suggest a destination for my upcoming adventure?" This will prompt a variety of recommendations from across the globe.
You might phrase your question as, when is the ideal time to visit Vienna? Ensure the response includes several links to tours and activities. See the outview.
Or ask Copilot, compare flight prices from New York to Miami. Copilot will provide a detailed overview of all the flights. After obtaining flight details, you can instruct Copilot to organize an itinerary, given you have only 7 days at your disposal. Request Copilot to generate a 7-day itinerary for Greece. See what Copilot suggested for a 7 days itinerary. After your initial itinerary, if Mykonos doesn't appeal to you and you prefer visiting Naxos instead, you can request Copilot to modify your schedule to match your preferred destinations and travel dates as follows. Day 1, Athens. Day 2, day trip to Delphi. Day 3, Naxos. Day 4, explore Naxos. Day 5, Santorini. Day 6, adventure in Santorini. Day 7, return to Athens. Ensure the trip from Athens to Naxos is arranged via ferry.
Next, if you're curious about the relative distances between these locations, you can ask Copilot to provide you with a geographical perspective of the locations on the map.
You can also click on the clickable link for Santorini to discover more information.
Review the itinerary created. Identify any part that could be improved for greater efficiency. Pay attention to aspects such as the distance between locations, their operating hours, and the travel time needed to get from one place to another. I realize it takes 6 hours from Athens to Naxos. I inquired with Copilot. Could you locate a ferry service from Athens to Naxos that has an approximate travel time of 3 hours? Copilot provides several options for fast ferry services, including contact numbers and pricing for each ferry company. I've discovered that CAJet can take me to Naxos in roughly 3 hours. If you're interested in exploring options from various ferry companies, by selecting the highest rated ferries in Greece, Copilot will provide you with information such as phone numbers, websites, operating hours, and their locations on the map. Pay attention to aspects such as the distance between locations, their operating hours, and the travel time needed to get from one place to another. If you are satisfied with the results, you can copy them to your notepad, export them as a PDF file, or print them out. Copilot can indeed optimize your travel itinerary by reordering the travel locations. Here's how you can achieve that by query Copilot, starting from Athens and ending in Athens over a span of 7 days with stops in Delphi, Naxos, and Santorini. I would like to include Meteora. Could you optimize the itinerary and route for me, incorporating this addition? You can ask Copilot to generate an image of the Meteora monasteries, given their esteemed reputation. But please log in using your Microsoft account first, as it will prompt you to do so if you haven't already. This image has been generated. Feel free to explore any of the images further and request Copilot to modify it into pixel art or depict it at sunset. Engage more interactively with Copilot by asking, "Could you suggest local activities and dining options in Meteora?" Copilot will then provide information, including notable local restaurants and clickable links you might find interesting. Finally, I asked Copilot to help me pack for a Greece vacation in April 20 to 30. Here is what I get. Copilot tirelessly assists us in reorganizing and prioritizing our plans according to our preferences, time limitations, and logistical practicality, all without any complaints. Furthermore, Copilot's assistance extends to suggesting the optimal sequence for your destinations, taking into account variables such as peak times, weather conditions, and local events. Dynamic optimization. Copilot continuously adapts based on real-time data. If there are unexpected delays or changes during your trip, Copilot can dynamically reorder your itinerary. Remember that flexibility is key when planning a trip. Copilot's ability to optimize and adapt ensures a smoother travel experience. Personalized guidance. Copilot tailors its recommendations to your preferences. Whether you crave adventure, relaxation, or cultural exploration, Copilot has your back. In summary, Copilot combines AI capabilities, RV-friendly navigation, and seamless integration with iOS, making it a versatile and efficient travel companion.
Consider trying Copilot for your next journey. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it.
Thank you for watching. Please leave comments or questions.